South Dakota has a reputation, not just as a quiet Midwest state, but as one of the most tax-friendly states in the country. No state income tax, strong asset protection laws, and yes, it's extremely popular for trusts and long-term wealth planning. So naturally, a lot of founders start asking, should I form my LLC in South Dakota too? Well, let's break that down properly. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to start an LLC in South Dakota in 2026, what it costs, how it works, and whether the no income tax advantage actually applies to you. Hey, I'm Bobby Casey, founder of Business Anywhere. I've helped thousands of entrepreneurs, U.S. founders, digital nomads, expats, and non-U.S. residents form LLCs remotely without dealing with confusing state systems or missed compliance deadlines. And South Dakota is definitely one of the more strategically interesting states on the list. All right, before we get into filings, let's zoom out for a second. An LLC, limited liability company, is about separation. It separates you from your business. If the company runs into legal trouble or debt, your personal assets are generally protected. That's the core benefit. And from a tax standpoint, LLCs are flexible. By default, a single-member LLC is taxed like a sole proprietorship. A multi-member LLC is taxed like a partnership. And if your profits grow, you can elect S-corp taxation later. So you get liability protection without corporate complexity. Now let's talk specifically about South Dakota. The filing fee to form an LLC in South Dakota is $150. That's paid to the South Dakota Secretary of State when you file your articles of organization. It's a moderate upfront cost. But here's where South Dakota stands out. There is no state income tax. That's a big deal, especially if you physically reside in South Dakota. However, and this is important, LLC taxation often depends on where you live and operate, not just where your company is formed. So if you don't live in South Dakota, forming there doesn't automatically eliminate your personal state income tax obligations. Now, South Dakota is also known for its strong trust laws and asset protection environment. That's one reason high net worth individuals and estate planners often use the state for trust structures. For standard LLC formation, though, you still want to evaluate it based on your actual residency and operations. All right, let's talk about the formation process. It starts with your business name. Your LLC name must be distinguishable from other registered businesses in South Dakota, and it must include Limited Liability Company, LLC, at the end. So it can't just be Dakota Holdings. It needs to be Dakota Holdings, LLC. Before committing, search the South Dakota Business Database to confirm availability. If you're not ready to file yet but want to secure your name, South Dakota allows you to reserve it for a period of time for a small fee. Once your name is handled, let's move on to your registered agent. Every South Dakota LLC must have a registered agent with a physical street address in the state. No P.O. boxes. This person or company receives legal documents and official notices on behalf of your business. If you live in South Dakota, you can serve as your own registered agent, but your address becomes public record, and you must be available during business hours. That's why many founders use a professional registered agent service, especially if privacy and reliability matter. Now, moving forward to the official filing. You'll submit articles of organization to the South Dakota Secretary of State. The filing fee is $150. In that filing, you'll provide your LLC name, registered agent information, principal office address, and management structure, whether your LLC is member-managed or manager-managed. Once approved, your LLC is officially active. Now, even though South Dakota doesn't require you to submit it to the state, you absolutely should create an operating agreement. This document outlines ownership percentages, voting rights, profit distribution, and what happens if a member exits. Even for a single-member LLC, it strengthens your liability protection and makes your business look more legitimate to banks and partners. Next up, your EIN. Your employer identification number comes from the IRS, and it's completely free. You'll need it to open a U.S. business bank account, hire employees, and file federal taxes. If you're a U.S. resident with an SSN, you can apply online and receive it quickly. If you're outside the U.S., the process takes a bit longer but is still manageable. Now let's talk about ongoing compliance. South Dakota requires LLCs to file an annual report. There is a filing fee associated with that annual report, and it must be submitted each year to keep your LLC in good standing. Missing that deadline can result in penalties or administrative dissolution. So while the no income tax headline gets attention, you still need to maintain compliance. Depending on your business activities, you may also need to register for state taxes or obtain specific licenses. South Dakota does not have a corporate income tax or personal income tax, but there may be sales tax or industry-specific requirements depending on what you're doing. Finally, once your LLC is approved and you've received your EIN, open a dedicated business bank account. Do not mix personal and business funds. That's one of the fastest ways to weaken your liability protection. Banks will typically request your articles of organization, EIN confirmation letter, operating agreement, and valid identification. If you're operating remotely, you'll also need a legitimate U.S. business address. So let's recap the roadmap. To start an LLC in South Dakota, choose a unique name and confirm availability. Appoint a registered agent with a South Dakota street address. File your articles of organization and pay the $150 state fee. Create an operating agreement. Obtain your EIN. Register for any required taxes or licenses. And file your annual report each year. South Dakota is tax-friendly, especially if you live there. It has strong asset protection laws and no state income tax. But like any state, it only makes sense if it aligns with your actual business and residency situation. You can absolutely handle the formation yourself. But if you'd rather skip the paperwork and compliance tracking, we can help. At Business Anywhere, we'll form your South Dakota LLC for free. You just pay the $150 state fee, and we include your first year of registered agent service at no extra cost. We'll also help with your EIN and send annual report reminders so nothing slips through the cracks. So I'm curious, are you considering South Dakota because of the no income tax angle or because you actually live there? Drop a comment and tell me what you're building, and I'll see you in the next one.